Today guys, we're building something special for one of my best friends, Shaquille Wynter. This is the guy behind some of the most aesthetic home decor and fashion content on Instagram. And honestly, my little bro who has helped me a ton with my own dream space. Shaq just moved into a bigger apartment, which I will give you a tour of, but while it's already looking amazing, there are a few areas that just need a little bit of love. Today, we're heading down to Columbus to help him create his dream setup that perfectly matches his vibe for under $1,000. Now, before we dive into the video, I hope y'all are enjoying your holidays. This will definitely be my last video of 2024, so I hope you guys have a memorable and safe New Year's. Currently, my only New Year's goal is getting that 96% of you that are watching to subscribe so that I can finally hit 100K in 2025. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you in Columbus.
Got the desk. There's really not much to talk about. We'll kind of just talk about the desk once it's set up and actually built, but got a desk and a chair, both from Flexi Spot. Shout out to them for sending this out, honestly.
Shout out to Flexi.
And low-key, we've been thinking, I'm thinking this is gonna be the spot where we set it up anyway, so we're gonna start building it out here and just bring y'all along with this.
Now guys, just from the parts alone, I can tell this desk is quality. Each part is noticeably thicker than what I have back home, so I'm low-key feeling a little jealous that I got this desk for Shaq. It is a standing desk, so it goes from sitting to standing, and the range of height is about 24 inches to 50. Now it didn't take too long to build the desk, so now it's time to clear out this keyboard area, set up the desk, and start building the chair. Unfortunately, the setup for that wasn't as smooth as the desk, and we ran into some issues.
Yeah, this is a crazy mishap. We've been at this for like 15 minutes. We put one screw on, well, we put a few screws on, but we put one part on backwards because this chair, for whatever reason, didn't come with any instructions. I guess they just forgot to send the manual. I was struggling to try and get this screw off. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this chair done tonight, but the desk for sure will be finished, which I think is honestly like the major part of the setup. I don't know, we'll kind of just keep y'all updated if we're able to get it done. If not, at least we got a really dope desk, and we're gonna make tight stuff. If we can't get this chair done in like the next 5-10 minutes, or at least to screw off the next 5 minutes, we're just gonna move on to decorating this area and finishing off his kind of finished desk setup. Me and Shaq are actually so dumb. Now you guys might be a little bit confused on what I mean, but this wasn't Flexi Spot's fault. This was actually ours because there was an instruction manual the whole time. And believe it or not, once watching the replay, you'll really understand how dumb me and Shaq really are. Not only did I have the instructions in my hand and put it down on the table, but also while we were making this mistake and putting the piece on the wrong way, the instruction manual was on the table. Still, I genuinely cannot believe that we made a mistake like this. But if you guys do want to see the chair like fully built and finished, if this video gets 1,000 likes, I will go right back to Columbus with a pair of pliers and not only get that bolt off, but fully complete the chair so we can have it for the desk setup. And I might even give it away to one of you guys, because in the next part of the video, Shaq came up with an amazing fix for our stupid mistakes. Let's hop back into it.
You know how crazy it would be to have that piece slide under here?
What piece?
That f***ing couch piece. That'd be insane. I mean, we could try.
That would be super honestly, we might do that. I think we might have to scrap the idea for the chair, unfortunately. I'm gonna send Flexi Spot an email, see if they can help me out with this situation. But for the time being, I think we might use this extra piece that he has for his couch and slide it in here, because width-wise, it looks like it'll fit in comfortability.
We have that bad boy right there too, if worst case scenario.
Yeah, but I think this one might work better because for one, the desk goes really low, but also comfortability-wise, I feel like that would be super comfortable to try and sit in. So, I don't know. It's better than what he had.
Bird bacana, and you just slide it in there on some palm tabbing. And then, let's say I want to sit with a chair. I go like this. Whew. Where's my? I can raise that. I can lower it. I can be like, hey, what's up? Hold on, I'm gonna grab my.
Like a laptop too, bro. Where's your?
Grab my laptop. Hold on. Just put this right there. Pull the laptop up. That's dead, by the way. But we don't really.
Definitely dead.
You know, but like, who cares? Like, just vibe, bro. Like, it's super crazy. You're done or what? Like, this feels comfy though. I could work here.
That's what I'm saying. You're there.
Cause like, I can put my legs up like this too. Like.
Oh yeah, that is actually yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like.
The only thing you need is like maybe like a laptop stand to elevate it.
Yeah. Follow for part 2, we're gonna do an Amazon desk makeover.
Or you guys go check out his channel where he'll do it, and we'll just kind of show you guys some of the progress on my side.
Oh, that is real. That is true.
What do you think though?
I like it. I'm jacking. I just can't wait to like.
Actually, yeah, put some shit on here.
I want to get a monitor. I want to build this.
Yeah,
up.
I think you need a monitor.
I want to get I think one big one or a dual. I think a one, and then have my laptop to the side.
Yeah, you can do that. Because they're gonna be different sizes, it might be uncomfortable for you.
I want to build a PC actually, so.
That's what I'm doing. That's the next step.
Because I'm gonna become a streamer.
So this is kind of what we came up with. We were just like spending a little bit of time to like do a little bit of decorating of this area, and it looks so much more homier and lived in. So y'all, before we give you like the official tour of the desk setup and everything, we do have a few things that we want to add around the crib. And since I'm here, it just makes sense to help them out. So we're gonna do these 3 posters. We have a little shelf to build, and then maybe a clothing rack. I don't know, we'll see. But we're starting with these posters.
Shaq really didn't need help with these posters, but I was here, so I helped him get some content for his Instagram, and honestly, this was a quick and easy upgrade to the space. Now, he also got this beautiful green bookshelf from IKEA, and building this was honestly a lot easier and quicker than I thought. So after building it, we even had some time to style it a bit and add some sauce.
So y'all, I'm sure this is the part of the video that you guys have really been waiting for. It's time to go through this whole apartment tour very briefly and then show you guys the new desk setup. Let's go. We're not gonna show you the entrance hallway because there's a shit ton of boxes. Like, I'm telling you, like a ridiculous amount of boxes. So we're just gonna start with the spare bathroom, which is technically mine. And I share it with the 2 kittens that Shaq just got. So we have the automatic litter box. Absolutely no shower curtain, aka meaning I'm showering in Shaq's bathroom. And you know what, believe it or not, we do have toilet paper right now, but we didn't a few days ago. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. I actually have a lot of storage to put stuff, which is nice. But once again, we just gotta get a shower curtain so it's like a fully functioning bathroom. No complaints though. Moving into the spare bedroom, we do have a few things. We have a couch, this toga couch. We have a glass coffee table, and we have a dresser and a TV. No bed, but that's because Shaq got me the most advanced air mattress possible with the headboard. So usually I just clear this out, make some space in the middle of the room, and then blow up my bed and sleep here. As of right now, it's kind of a temporary setup. I do have a closet, but once again with Shaq, he's just like, he's not used to having roommates yet, so it's a little messy. But we will get here eventually. You know, we're just trying to kind of get the rest of the house together, and then we'll worry about this shit after. Moving on to personally my favorite part of the home apartment, the living room area. It's honestly such a chill environment, especially at nighttime, so I will 100% get clips. In my opinion, the whole apartment just looks better at night. Honestly, I think it's probably the best time for me to just pass it over to Shaq and let him walk you guys through this area.
Boy's now a cat dad, so starting off over here, I got a wonderful cat tree that they really use, but ever since Dre has been here, they've been hopping on that. We might be able to insert a clip of them, you know, messing around with that. But got this new black small end table. I thought it was gonna be way bigger, but I like it. You know, it adds dimension. Mushroom lamps, all the small details, but I will get into all that detail on my channel. I'll do an apartment tour, and I'm gonna tell you basically where I get everything from. So if you want the sauce, you might want to subscribe to the boy. But moving on to this beautiful couch. I love this couch. I took a big risk buying this couch, but I'm happy with it, and Dre loves it too, so.
Wait, tell them why it was a big risk though. They don't know why. Where did you get it from?
Amazon. Like what? Like what? The vibe of this living room was kind of different but similar to my old crib, but this is where I feel like this has the most character, you know? On some calm timing, we can just chill right here, read a book, because we're smart people. But then when we come over here, me and Dre, we just installed these today. Beautiful posters, a lot of greens, oranges, a lot of earth tones, always about the details. But speaking of details, this desk, thank you, Dre.
Yo, bro.
And thank you, Flexi Spot, for plugging us. I feel like this area of my apartment was very bare before this desk, and this desk allows me to build around this area. As you can see, we have a smaller table right here, another table right there, and now this area is more filled in. You know, this, what do you call this?
Sofa seat, like.
So, you know what I'm saying? It's one of the ones where it was an extra piece from my couch. It fits here perfectly, which I was not expecting, but that allows me to add a bunch of black with the decor, you know? But I really love this spot. Thank you, Flexi Spot, again, but hey, let me flex on them real quick. Let me just chill right here while we. And the thing is, I just got this desk, so I haven't set it, preset it. I'll do that right now. How about that? I hit manual, I hit 4, and do this if you want to stand up again.
I think you though.
Bomb. I'm not touching anything, by the way. Productive bloke now. You know, when Like, if I'm being honest with you, I was never really interested in an ergonomic desk because I'm like, why would I want to stand up and work? But this feels so comfortable. It's one of the ones where it's like, just want to use it. Have you ever bought a desk and it's just a bit too tall or it's a bit too short? Well, look no further. You can... Onto, you guys saw this, you saw it when we were building this. Now there's a lot going on, but not too much, and I love that. It's one of the ones where a lot of these decor that we're using are fillers.
Guys, just to kind of walk you guys through the last few things of this house, there's obviously a nice kitchen, nice island, good space for everything, and the final spot is the bedroom, which as of right now is pretty messy. I'm gonna show you guys. And please don't judge because I'm gonna get some clips when it looks a little bit cleaner. But we got a double closet back here. We got this area over here where he's kind of just chilling. Don't mind the boxes on the balcony. And then we do have a really messy bed. But that's besides the point. We are gonna clean everything up so I can get a few clips, cinematics of everything. But let me know what you guys think of the apartment, and more importantly, what you guys think of the new desk setup, because it seems like Shaq likes it. And honestly, that's really all that matters. That was the objective of this video. Anyways, y'all, we're gonna do a little bit of tidying, and then I will get the final cinematic of Shaq's new apartment. Let's get to it.
Sick of hearing that you love me like that. I'm bulletproof, but you stab me in my back. This heart of mine don't got no room for love. I pray to God that you don't set me up.